I didn't plan to get pregnant at 20. I was one of those hard cases, a case they would use to push for abortion. I cried a lot. I was devastated. I didn't know how I was going to cope with a baby in my life. I was already struggling with my studies. People assumed I'd have an abortion. Friends felt I couldn't do it all, have a baby, study in Ireland, without any family. I guess they were wrong. Today, my son is the best thing that ever happened to me. And after my son's birth, I became a first-class honors student. I worked harder, I was more focused, and now I run faster than I ever did before. I've broken personal bests. I think we girls are a lot stronger than we're told. Don't let the world tell you who you're going to be. You tell the world. Life is beautiful, and life doesn't end when you become a young mother. I'm glad that I was living in Ireland, that I gave us a chance. The respect for life that's in Ireland should be celebrated, not undermined.